Hello everyone, myself Chandana. I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, studying in Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today I am speaking about UID, that is User Interface Design, and my topic is creating UGI using Android Studio. Today I am creating weather forecasting using UGI in Android Studio. First is introduction for weather forecasting. Weather forecasting are created by gathering the objects that are actual condition of the atmosphere at a certain location and using the meteorology to predict how weather will behave in the future. This gives a human feedback to choose the possible best model on which on which to base the forecast. There are three importance in the weather forecast. The first one is season and nature. Season and nature plays a major role in farming and agriculture, where farming and agriculture requires the accurate temperature, seasons, and atmosphere for the cultivation and farming, where the farmers mainly depend on this weather forecast. If the weather forecast is inaccurate, they hence the farmers goes for the so they're gonna suffer from the losses in the farming. Hence this we have to thank this weather forecasting because it is a unique and technological technological mechanism for the prediction of the weather. Next is for it's the storage of grains and transportation, where for transportation goods seasons is required, like whenever there is a rainy season the goods cannot be transported, and for the storage also it requires some proper temperature and humidity for the storing of the grains. Next is it aids in the handling of cultural operations such as arrowing and owing. It is also similar like it is similar like agriculture and farming, where it requires the appropriate temperature for harrowing and owing. Next is the types of weather forecasting. Weather forecasting, it has mainly three types, that is short range casting, medium range casting, and next one is like long scale forecasting. First is short range forecasting. It lasts for 1 to 2 days. It has a immense influence on the daily pattern and production of food and personal comfort zone. It plays mainly important role in current planning current and future activities. It also has a huge impact on the weather forecast outcoming. Next is a medium range forecasting. It lasts for 3 to 4 days to 3 weeks. It is a forecast. This medium range forecasts are made small for the core strategic solution correlation with the nature of the business. It is mainly this medium range forecast is mainly for the business budget and development, and it is for and it is a form this forecast as a that company budgets are decided, where the company budgets are decided based on this medium range forecast. When this medium range forecast, the farmer has to pay a huge amount to the bank, or they have to credit and when to the stock. Whenever the stock is sold at a very less price, the organization can go bankrupt due to the insufficient attention on the medium scale forecasting. The time period for medium forecasting is usually 1 year. Long range forecasting lasts for more than 4 weeks, that is more than 1 month. It plays mainly a major role in upcoming strategic decision to be taken within the organization and with the organization. And for the organization, it mainly focuses on how to use the resources in an optimum manner. It deals with these organizations are mainly concerned with the outgoing trend. The main disadvantages of this for as a long range forecast is that it cannot be more than unclear. It is like unclear, and when the prediction go wrong, prediction planners are blamed when the prediction goes in the opposite way, and the forecasting, hence it receives the criticisms for those who all are impacted. Methods used to find the weather forecasting. It has mainly three types of methods used to find the weather forecasting. That is synoptic method, statistical method, and numerical prediction techniques. This is all about the weather forecasting. Now let us see the UGI in Android Studio. Here, here is a code for the UGI. This is a code of weather forecasting, and this is the output of this UGI, where it gives the pressure, wind, and humidity. Where you have to enter the current city and the current location of yours. Whenever we give them current exact location, it gives a pressure, wind, and humidity of that location, where you can see in your phones or in the laptops, where in the notification bar the current location will be like automatically selected whenever the location is on. It gives the accurate pressure, temperature, and humidity of that particular area, nor about of the particular city, or of the particular location. This is how it works. The weather forecasting works in the Android UGI in Android Studio, using Android Studio. This is all about weather forecasting using in UGI using Android Studio. In furthermore videos, we learn more about UGI. Thank you.